Witson.
Anything I've seen in this market, I'm just going to show you what you get. We've also installed a digital speedo too, which I'll bring you a separate video, but I'll just show you what that looks like. There you go. So I'm just going to bring this video here on this particular unit, and what it is our all-in-one system here, which basically has the Android operating system and the touchscreen AC panel down below. Also, you get a bit further on down here. Sorry about the shaky video. I'm bringing it on a phone because obviously I'm moving the phone around. So this panel here, you can't see it. It's like a little round. So it will fit in the original panel that you had below, but obviously it's put in behind there to cater for your hazard button and your door locking buttons here, and locking in the background. So that's an additional thing which you can't really see in this video here. So I'm just going to bring this video here just to show you what the system got to offer, how it acts. It's got an 8-core Snapdragon processor in, so it's really quick and responsive. These buttons here, obviously are incorporated into here. These will link up with the speedo, which I'll show you. Just if I was to press the sport, let me just show you here. 1 second, and you will see in a moment that these adjust by me pressing the buttons down there. Show you the AC part first, which is pretty much self-explanatory. It's all touchscreen. As you see, it's all visual on the screen here as well as here. So it's lower and down. You've got your heated seats here too, your window defrosts and rear, front and back, sync the AC panel, and obviously your temperature gauges up here, which also are on here too. I don't think these are touchscreen. They're just visual at the moment. Oops. They're just visual at the moment because obviously this operated down here. Just to show you what the home page looks like, it's these are like shortcuts here. So then this is the Android operating system. Doesn't mean you can't link an Apple phone. All it basically means is if you want to download an app, you do from the Google Play Store as opposed to the Apple Store. Apple phones link with it totally fine. Bluetooth, music streaming. It's got built-in wireless CarPlay, as well as Android Auto if you're using the Android phone. Middle links on there, not that great a feature these days, so we don't really promote that. But this is the navigation if you hold that one. This will bring up Google Maps. It is an online app, so you do need to give it an internet connection to work, but you can download other offline maps or Waze or whatever and assign it to that home page. So you can go into settings and whatever maps are in there, you can assign it to that app. So it doesn't have to be Google Maps, it can be whatever you want. And there's your radio app here, which is your FM AM radio. It does work with the steering wheel control buttons, as you can see there, and let's just go lower and down. So the steering wheel control buttons work. Okay, so there's your phone shortcut. If you want to put your music onto a pen drive, you can play it through there because you get a USB cable. Alternatively, you can do that with the same with the videos. There's your CarPlay app here, which you've already just set up for the purpose of the video. This is obviously bringing apps over from your phone into the system. See how quick and responsive it is. No lag. It's what you get with the Snapdragon processor. Going back out to that here, just going back over to here, there's your dashboard, just gives you a little speedo. So if I just put my foot down slightly, which you don't want to do too much, you'll see the revs going up and down there. The car's a bit of a beast with the engine, so our engineers at the back of the car, so I don't really want to put my foot down. Going back onto this, there's your settings app here. So this brings a lot of the Android settings up in terms of Wi-Fi, your sounds, reverse and all that type of stuff. System not really relevant to the video, obviously, unless you're setting things up. Okay, some more shortcuts down here, which basically relatable to what I've just shown you there. There's your air conditioning panel there. Let me see if it's visual. Let me see, just double check that it works on this side. Yep, so it works on that one too, as well as down below. Go back out here. Let me have a look at the application. So this is going into the application center. Again, very quick and responsive. Does what you want to expect it to do with this type of processor. So I'm just going to go a little rundown of what the system has got in application. It's got a couple of browsers there, which is for internet shopping if you want to go and buy our product. There's your Play Store icon. That's what I was going to before about basically logging into there. Let me see if I can show you 1 second. These are all apps we update during the install, but normally your Play Store would show you your home page with all like the tags of all the images in terms of what you want to download. We're just doing updates at the moment, so it's not going to show you that. Bluetooth, self-explanatory. It's where you take your phone calls through, but because because we're using the CarPlay app, which I showed before, it doesn't use this Bluetooth, it uses the CarPlay app instead, so you're not going to see much there. Bluetooth music, so if you want to stream your music through your phone on there, you can do that one. This one here, I'm just going to slowly show you what it's got to offer, because this is the car's computer information in terms of stuff that was on the old screen. A lot of people tend to say, does it show the car's computer information? It does, but what we'll do, we prefer to show you in the video of what it's got. So I'm just going to zoom in there a little bit so you can see what it's got on there. I'm just going to slowly show what the other options are too. That's it, no more on there. Here's your door unlock. Comfort system. Engine. Suspension. Audio. And model, whatever that means. I don't think you need, oh yeah, sorry, that just basically, that's just car model settings, which it just shows you different use of the car. Okay, so let's next one move on to is the mixer. So this is the DSP sound processor, which is nice, and I don't even, so that's just an image, but you can change things like this. Sorry about the glare, you'll see me in the background with my shades and my glasses on. Let's go to that one. Let's go back out. File manager, so if you want to download any applications that are not in the Play Store, IPTV and stuff like that, you can tend to do it through there. If you know what this is about, then obviously I don't need to show you. Music, again, just want to play your MP3s to a USB pen. Photo, not really relevant, don't know why they put that on there. Dashboard, I think I showed you that before. Going to the next page, aux in, so if you've got anything like a TV box that uses RCA cables, you can stick them in through there. Video, self-explanatory. There's your Google Maps, YouTube, which you're probably watching this video on, Spotify. 360 bird view, it's not going to show anything today, but if you did have 360s on the car, then you can put that in there. GPS, that just shows you GPS antenna signal strength. There's your radio, which I showed you before. Settings, that's a Google browser for shopping. Gboard, and that Z-Link is the CarPlay app. So yeah, let me go down to this part here. So as I say, these are traction control, your park off, your icy sport. That tends to be relatable towards your car's settings, and obviously that links up the speedo. I think, I don't know, I can't even remember if I showed you this before. Yeah, I did before. So this, as I say, this is a nice little feature to add on there. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if there's any questions, get in touch with
Witson